Crea'Madonas, welcome back to the channel. I'm Felicia and I'm the crafty black girl. So you guys, I'm going to show you guys how to wrap a box. So this idea came from Birthing Bosses with Felicia. She showed us how her mother wraps boxes for her when you cannot find baskets. So this is a regular advanced auto box that I actually bought an auto part in and happened to actually use this for Valentine's Day. So any type of wrapping paper that you want to use, you can use. And then I use the little elf cutting tool to help me out, just to cut it easily. And then of course I'm going to measure and make sure that both sides will cover before I cut it. Then I just took it right along the seam of the box where the box actually bends to make sure that it folds evenly. This is super simple, and I do this on all corners. Actually, not all corners, but the parallel corners. So you'll see the two corners that I actually cut, and then I tape the inside of the box. And this is super simple. All you have to do is really make sure that the paper that you're using is completely flat against the box, and make sure that you are completely folding and creasing the actual paper so that it lays flat, so that nothing is bulky. And then you can use some transparent tape. Some areas I used packing tape on the outside, the clear packing tape, and then on the inside I just use regular Scotch the little desk tape. And this worked out really well, you guys. I actually really like the way that boxes look, and it gives you more versatility with your designing. If you have a wrapping paper that will match the theme of your basket, this works amazing. And then if you want to cover up the seams, you can put stickers or whatever. But this is one of the boxes, and this is how I use the box. Filled it, just so you know, with paper. All right, so give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and until next time, stay crafty.